This saucily named drink is thought to have originated at Harry's New York bar in Paris, whether it was named for the unlikely bedfellows of rum and brandy, or where your night might end up if you enjoy one too many of them. It's a fun, fruity and citrusy delight, and a really nice switch up if something like a Daiquiri or a Sidecar type cocktail is your usual go-to. So we're gonna go in with 25 mils of each of our spirits here. And then 20 mils or 2/3 of an ounce of an orange liqueur. So I'm using Marionette. And 20 mils of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And for your garnish, you're just gonna do a little lemon twist. So I've just done this with a veggie peeler, and then we'll do a little spray over the top and trim it down when it's good to go. So that is a tiny little bit tart, so I'm just gonna go literally probably not even 5 mils, just a little dash of sugar syrup. Give it another shake. Double strain. A little spritz over the top. Just pop that on the side of your glass there, and we have it between the sheets. Really lovely, really citrusy and lemony. If you like a daiquiri, then this is going to be a really fun one to try. Something a bit different there. Obviously a sidecar as well. It's basically a variation on that. So just something with a little bit of interest and a little bit different to try between the sheets. So now you know.